Camden Town Tourists. Come and see the best attractions in Camden Town. Check out our fantastic guide for your trip and browse the market stalls where you will find souvenirs and clothes, Amon ponds and rockers in an area famous for its alternative culture and its electric nightlife. And canal, you can go through the Regent's Canal. This restaurant is at Camden Market. And Camden Market, the most alternative London. Contact us at 018009090 and we will gladly answer your call. Bye. Okay, and you can visit Cyberduke, this alternative in psychedelic store, Cyberduke. And if you are a fan of Amy Winehouse, don't miss the opportunity to take a photo with her bronze statue located in Selvos Market. This is Amy Winehouse, and if you are a fan of if you a person who is passionate about art, you can visit this center and admission is free. This is about art. You can this center in Camden Town. Really the most alternative London. Okay, bye.